Hi there, Alec at VacuumSpot.com.au, showing you how to do a cord replacement on a HDS2000 from Nilfisk. I'm going to show you first the reason we need to do this. This particular machine has a somewhat unsafe problem. This is pretty common on all commercial machines. The user is pulling the machine way too hard and it's pulling this out. Judging by the colouring of the cord, it's getting quite old and you've got little nicks along it, so we're just going to get rid of it and put a new one on. Okay, this is so simple. I've never done this, but I had a quick look at the instructions before, and which come with the cord, so win. Off with the cover, and then what we've got inside is this should be holding down the fat part of our cord, but we're just going to undo this. Oh goodness, sorry. Okay, now I'm just going to release this little hub. Okay, so now I can get good clear access to it, everything I need. Here's the cord I prepared earlier. Now these are a huge 15 metre long cord on the Nilfisk, which I absolutely love. It's nice flexible material. Okay, it's already trimmed to the right length, so what we need to do here is just simply release our screws that are holding this in place, which is a little tricky from the angle that I'm at, but now you shouldn't have to undo these totally the whole way. A few turns should have them releasing. Now we're just remembering blue is on the outside. Not that it matters in actual fact, because it is alternating current, but let's make sure we do it right. So I have to remember to put this cord through the cover plate, otherwise you're going to end up needing to undo it all and start again. Feeding those back in to their little locators, and now we just reverse it, doing it back up. Make sure these are nice and tight. You don't want there to be any give. Okay. Now, sorry, I'm just trying to wiggle this so that I can get it. Sorry, I'm going to have to take a look at this because I can't actually sit it in position myself. There we go. Okay. So now I'll grab one of these screws back. This also has to be in nice and firm. You don't want to tighten that one too hard though, because you could crack the plastic. Nilfisk, everything they do is top quality, but brute force is probably a bit too excessive. Now what I'm feeding through is about 1 centimetre of the orange sheath. I'm just trying to... I'm not quite on that, am I? There we go. This is so tricky without it being in the normal position when you're fixing it. Okay. Tighten both sides up a few turns each so that it's putting pressure evenly. And then you'll feel it, it'll get firm all of a sudden. That's when you want to stop. Tuck your cord, any excess cord in and on with our latch. That's it. that is how simple it is. Just changed the cord on a Nilfisk HDS2000 in 5 minutes. That's a quick repair. Nice little tip from Alec at VacuumSpot.